Today we're going to be looking at constant variables. Now in the past we were looking at variable repetition. We saw what would happen if we were to assign two different values to a variable. We can take a look at that one more time. Let's say we had the integer variable x and we assigned it a value of 5 and we were to go ahead and print this out on screen. And then we were to go ahead and say that now x has been assigned a value of 7 and then we go ahead and print that out on screen as well. We know what we're going to get. We know that you're going to take the most recent value that's accessible to your variable, right? So we want x here. We know that the most recent assignment is 5, reading top to bottom, right? Here, the most recent one's 5. And then down here, your most recent assignment is 7. Now, obviously, we take into account the global and local variables, but both of these are local because they're written inside the main, so they can both be used. So we see down here, we printed out 5, and then we printed out 7. Now, if we were to make a constant variable, which is when we would go in here and we write const before the data type definition, we'll see that now, as soon as we write this, so we write const for constant, integer or int for integer, and then the variable you want to use, x. Now we see we get an error down here, and if I were to go and run this, we're going to get all types of crazy error message. The build has failed, and it says read-only variable is not assignable, which means we can no longer assign x to something. We make it constant. So when you make a variable constant by writing const in front of the data type, int, it can no longer be redefined. Now we're going to see in the next video what else we can do with the keyword const for constant with regards to functions and objects. So this is just a little bit of an introduction. As soon as you write this before your data type, you can no longer go and redefine this later on. It's just going to simply give you an error message. Even if you were to go ahead and put the same thing in, it's not going to work. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions regarding the const constant keyword, feel free to leave that in the comments below and I will respond to you as soon as possible. And we'll be seeing more applications of this in the next video.